This assessment asks us to calculate the atom economy for the reaction on the screen. The atom economy is going to be calculated by considering the molecular formula of the reactants and the molecular formula of the product and seeing how much of the reactants doesn't make it into the product. And so we can actually do this problem by adding up the molecular formula of the two reactants, C5H6 plus C3H4O, and comparing that total, C8H10O, so we've used this much. If we looked at the molecular formula of our reactants, it's that. What's the molecular formula of our products? It's the same. And so in this case, the atom economy is 100%. 100% of the atoms in our reactants end up in our products. So this reaction has 100% atom economy.